Sometimes while preparing our data set, we face some problems like we have some data in matrix format and that we need to convert it in a column format. So means we can understand it in by seeing the example like, so this is the data, means we have it in matrix format and this one we need to convert it in one single column. So like this. So that we can, how we can achieve it. So there is one formula for this. So here I am showing this formula, but we can see it practically and I will paste this formula in description of this video. So let's go to our Excel. We can see here this data is available here. So what we will do, we will select all the data, what we want to club it in one single column. We go to this formulas, we define a name like data, click on OK, and we insert the formula where we want to keep that column. So this is the data formula here, formula, and this data is actually representing the selected cells. So we can click on enter and then we can drag it. So you can see here cities are already coming. We can drag it more. So this is basically means we don't have more data, so we can delete that. So all the cities are coming here. So these all cities basically 8 multiplied by 3. So 8 3s are 24. So 24 cities are coming here and you can see here this is actually 24. So this is what we want to achieve and this we have achieved. So if you like the video then you can subscribe my channel. Thank you.